Look at this, it looks amazing. Wow. What's up guys, we're back, and in today's video we're gonna change the interior lights to an LED and we're gonna make it brighter. And it's gonna look amazing. Let's do it. Okay guys, we're back, and today we're gonna replace the interior lights with this one, with LED lights. These are from the brand AUXITO. Okay, and we're gonna put these LED lights and we're gonna see the difference, and we're gonna see how bright they are. Okay, so let's install them and let's see the difference. Let's do it. Okay, let's start with the rear seat lights. With a screwdriver, remove the cover, but be careful not to break the clips from the cover, like that. Okay, it has 3 bulbs in here, so we are not gonna have enough bulbs because we need 3 here and probably 2 more in the front. So let's see how it looks with the 3 bulbs in here. Okay, and to remove the bulbs I'm using a microfiber because the bulbs are hot, and as you can see they are super easy to install, like that. For the middle one I'm gonna change it to another bulb that I had before, because if not I'm not gonna have enough bulbs for the whole interior. So I'm gonna use this one. It's a different one that I had before. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a big difference. These are brighter than the one I put here, because this one has like 3 LED lights and this one has multiple. So the AUXITO is brighter, but it still looks amazing. Wow. Okay, next let's do the front lights in the middle of the roof. This one I'm using a screwdriver. Be careful not to break the plastic, and it's easier if you do it in this side like I'm doing here, and it comes easier. As you can see, boom, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna use these pliers to remove the bulb. Okay, I had to use the pliers without the microfiber towel because the space is too tight, but be careful not to break the bulb. Okay, right here you can see the difference. Look at that. Amazing. I struggle a little bit to put it in because the bulb doesn't go in straight. It's a little bit in an angle like this to the front, so you have to put it not straight, in an angle. So when you replace them you will figure out, because I don't know if you can see it here. Maybe if I turn off the lights, let me see. Oh, okay, right there. You can see it's not straight down, it's like a little bit pointing to the front. Yeah, so it's not that hard, but you have to put it in an angle. All right, now both LEDs are ready. You can see they are super bright and they look great. That's cool. Look at that. Here. Okay, now let's change the bulb on the visors. For the visors, the clip is on the left side, on the driver's side, and on the passenger side the clip is on the right side. Okay, now the base is removed, but I was pulling on the wrong side and I broke this, man, so I have to glue it back to this one, to the base, but it's not a problem. Okay, so this is the bulb. I think it's a 31 millimeters, I think, but I have this one. This one works for many different ones because the top part, let me get it out. This one is a spring. so it fits in many different ones bases, okay, for different cars, different vehicles. See, you can squeeze it. Cool. And remember to put the lights facing down, because the light is gonna be here. So put the lights facing down. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. I'm trying. Hehe. I think I did. Yep. Look at that. I just have to glue this thing back. Like that. Cool. Okay, and to put it back is super easy. Connect the plug like this. Make sure the LED works like this. Okay, if it's working, just put it back and slide it until it clicks, and that's it. It looks great. Cool. Okay, now here you can see the difference. Ooh, man, that is bright. Look at that. Shh. And look at this. Yellow, man. No, I don't like yellow. And this, woo, amazing. Look at this, it looks amazing. Wow, look at the interior, it's super bright. I can see everything now. Look at that, the bolts are there. Let's see the rear. The interior. Look at the top, the bolts. Man, this looks awesome. Look at the interior, looks amazing. Man, super bright. I love it. Okay, it has one more extra bulb that I didn't see. It has one here on the bottom, and it has another one on the other side. So let's replace those two. This one. Okay, for the interior, the Footwell is this kind of bulb, like this one, and this cover was on the top. To pry it out, you need a screwdriver and do it on the side. That's it. And to remove the bulb, I'll use the screwdriver, just push it and you can remove it. And this is the bulb I'm gonna put, this kind of LED. Make sure it's all the way in. As you can see, it wasn't all the way in, and right there, it's all the way in. Cool, it's super easy. Then put the cover back until it clicks, and that's it. Okay, and to put it back, just plug it in. Make sure that it's working. Turn on the car, and yeah, it's working. And one thing, the plug, it has to go inside, yeah, like this, and then you can plug it back, like that. And it looks great, as you can see, it looks super bright and cool. Awesome. And now let's do the passenger side for the Footwell. So it's the same process. Okay, for the passenger side, it has a hole or like a slot in the side. That's how you know which side you have to pull, okay? If you don't see this like a little dent in there or like a hole, it might be in the other side, okay? But if you see it in this side, just pull that one down, like this, like that. And then you can get it out like that. As you can see, it has a hole. It doesn't have it on the other side, okay? So look for the slot like a dent in one side. That's the area that you have to pull. Don't pull on the other side because you might break it. Okay, it might be in the other side or might be here because you can put it in both ways. So you can see it. You can see it there. There, yeah, that. Can see it there. Okay, so that's how to replace the passenger side. This one has a plastic cover, and it has another one on the trunk. Let me see, right there. So let's replace this one too. Okay, let's see how hard it is to remove it. I'm gonna use this. Let's see. Okay, is this type of bulb. It's like this one. So to remove it, just pop it out with the screwdriver like I'm doing here. Like that. Boom, be careful because it's hot. Alright, and the new one, this one has a spring. Okay, make sure the spring is touching both sides, and as you can see it's working. Just slide it, clip it, and it's good. As you can see, it's super bright and looks super cool. That's great. I like it a lot. Okay guys, those are the interior. The links for all the bulbs that I use, they're gonna be in the description of the video down below. It looks super bright and it's amazing. Now I can see at night, it's super bright. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one.